Hey guys, TobyskillTTV here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the TobyskillTTV Premium bot. So let's get started. First off, we're going to make sure that you have done is that you have either boosted the main server or that you have gifted my main account Nitro. If you haven't gifted my main account Nitro or boosted the server, then you probably won't be able to get premium unless you are a past time premium user and have boosted in the past and already had premium. But once you boost the server, what you can either do is tell me or Pumpkin and then we're going to give you premium. Or what you could do is go to the premium or TobyskillTTV premium server, go to hashtag chat, and what we're going to do is type in /claim premium, and then the / command will pop up and we just run this, and then it'll give you premium if you have boosted this server. Otherwise, if you send a gift, then let me know and I will give you permanent premium. But let's get started with the actual tutorial on how to use the bot. What we're going to do is go to hashtag info, click on the bot's name right here, and what we're going to want to do is message it. So from here, what we're going to do is type in .info, and then we're going to have all this information up. If you don't see this, then you don't have premium. Duh. But what we're going to do is click on this little settings icon. And for a nuke message, it's going to be @everyone, subscribe to TobyskillTTV, server name. Alright. So for the server icon, what we can do is just submit that. So we have these two filled out. And then I'm actually going to drag in an image and then show you guys how to get a media link if you don't know how. So I have an image here, which I love a lot. So how you get the media link from this is right click it, and you're going to see a copy media link. If you don't see a copy media link, then you should get the Discord app and not use a web browser like me. But if you're on mobile, all you have to do is hold down on the image and then you're going to see a copy link or copy media link, not copy the message link. If you copy the message link, then it won't work. Also, another way you could do it is click F12 and go to elements, disable device toolbar if it's enabled, and then select this, edit as HTML, and you could just get the HTML or the media link directly from it. And when we send it in chat, there you go, we have the media link for the image. But we're just going to do .info again since the other one didn't work or it died. And then for the server icon, we just paste in the media link. Channel name, this will be the channel name for all the nuke channels. The webhook name is the name of the user or whatever that actually sends the message. It's the webhook. So what we're going to do is type in, for example. Okay, now that we have actually filled out all the settings, what we can do is get a server to nuke. So I'm going to get one really quick. Okay, so when you have a server to nuke, what you're going to do is type in .info. And then you're going to see this little invite button. What we're going to do is click on the invite button, select the server that you want to nuke, and then you're going to have to authorize it as administrator for the server. If you cannot authorize it as administrator, then that means that you don't have permissions to add it. You could get permissions by somebody who is like an admin of the server or the owner of the server, or you could try to get another person to add the bot. But what we're going to do is just click on authorize. And we're going to see that the bot has joined the server. What we could do is type in the normal nuke code X14211115, and then the server's nuked. So as you can see, there's gonna be over 1,000 pings. I think it's usually around 2,500 to 3,000. Can up the number, but don't want to waste too much resources. So if you guys enjoy this tutorial or have any questions, then let me know on my Discord by joining the Discord server TobyskillTTV. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial if I need one. So, peace.